SAS announces order for up to 40 Airbus A330 aircraft. Scandinavian Airlines has announced the largest investment in the history of the company by shaking hands on a deal for as many as 40 of its wide-body twin jets. The Airbus A330 family is the focus of this agreement, which features both the new A330-900 model from the A330neo series and the older A330-300 model from what is now known as the A330ceo series. The latter will support near-term growth, with the former pushing the total number of A330neo series orders past the 500 mark. Such is the magnitude of the order that, in terms of list prices, the aircraft involved have a combined value of more than $10 billion. Of course, it is unlikely that SAS will pay anywhere near this total, given that airlines almost always receive a hefty discount, especially when buying in bulk. Even so, the multi-billion-dollar deal is a clear sign that SAS is serious about taking its next steps forward, investing in the A330. Just now, at a press conference in Copenhagen attended by Simple Flying, SAS confirmed that it had committed to adding up to 40 wide-body twin jets from Airbus to its fleet. The deal, it explains, combines new Airbus A330-900 aircraft with additional Airbus A330-300 aircraft, secured to support near-term growth ahead of the arrival of the new fleet. The A330-900 represents the bulk of the deal, with 18 firm orders and options for 10 more, and 12 A330-300s make up the total. Having placed an order last year for the Embraer E195-E2 regional jet and invested in renewing its Airbus A320neo fleet for short-haul ops, this latest commitment signifies SAS's long-haul growth intentions. It says that it supports the continued development of SAS's long-haul network, enhancing the airline's ability to connect Scandinavia with key international markets. SAS CEO Anko van der Werf said, "In a world where investment, talent, and opportunity move across borders, well-connected regions are best positioned to succeed. By investing in our future and strengthening our ability to connect Scandinavia with the world needs more Scandinavia." A natural fit. SAS is already very familiar with the Airbus A330 family of wide-body twin jets. Indeed, fleet data made available by CH Aviation shows that the Danish, Norwegian, and Swedish flag carrier currently has 8 units of the A330-300 model at its disposal, with an average age of 14.9 years old. This existing fleet will mean that the extra A330-300s that SAS has committed to in the short term will fit right in. Indeed, the carrier says that these twin-aisle aircraft, which have a typical 3-class capacity of 250-290 seats and a range of 6,350 nm, 11,750 kilometers, will already be fully compatible with SAS's existing Airbus operations. Its fleet also acts as a strong foundation when it comes to integrating the new A330-900 jets, as these aircraft have 95% shared airframe parts with their older counterparts at SAS. While the Airbus A330-300 has served SAS well over the years, the A330-900 is set to represent a notable step forward in terms of both range and capacity. Specifically, the Nordic carrier says that the jet typically seats 287 to 303 passengers across 3 classes of travel, and boasts a range of 7,350 nm, 13,600 kilometers. SAS plans to configure its particular examples, which will arrive in the 2030s, with around 290 seats, making them almost interchangeable with its 300-seat A350s.